What is up, team? Chuck with Traders War Room back at you with another video. Guys, I promised you a video on Friday, and I apologize because this weekend has just been nuts, okay? I went to my basic strategy that I did a few years ago, and it was corrupted and it was outdated. So I wanted to do a new one and update things so you guys got a fresh video. Now, this isn't a deep, comprehensive dive. It's just basic strategy on how I look at and view and go attack market trades. And I hope you find some value and worth out of it. If you want to dig into more TWR stuff, the links are all in the description. I hope to see a whole bunch of new faces when a market bell rings. And as always, if you're ready, you follow me and the other TWR market warriors, and let's go to war together, guys. Let's go out there and make some money.
Welcome to Traders War Room, where the market is a war zone and stocks are our battlefield. Every trade is a victory, waiting to happen. Whether you're a seasoned veteran or a fresh recruit, TWR has everything you need to dominate. From cutting-edge analytical tools to real-time data that delivers accurate signals and alerts, equips you with the tactical advantage to thrive. We want you to strive to thrive in 2025. Join TWR today and build your financial freedom together as a team of market warriors, and destroy the market with accuracy and precision. If we're leading the charge with our bold campaign, it's time to start viewing the market as a war zone and stocks as battles, to attack and conquer, ultimately winning with consistency. We realize you have many options, all promising financial growth, but quit wasting your time and money on crap that overpromises and underdelivers. There's a reason why TWR is all the buzz. Traders War Room is a professional platform you can trust. Your search is over. Together, we'll build your financial freedom and turn goals into realities. Get ready and let's go to war. Check us out at traderswarroom.com. The link's in the description. I'll see you when the market bell rings. Don't forget, please give us a like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Stay for the whole video. At the end, I got some special content for you.
My basic trading strategy. Step number 1. You need to scan the market for opportunities. This means you use stock scanners or build a custom scanner on your platform of choice. Step number 2. Set parameters inside the scanner that aligns with your trading style. These could be patterns, trends, price action, etc., etc. For me, I trade inside of momentum trading, so I like patterns associated with the volume. Step number 3. This is where you will focus attention on no more than 5 stocks. Should be at least 3 you're familiar with trading and price action, and maybe 2 that are new ideas but trending. These can also be a core selection of stocks that you always look at, or they can change on the day depending on the daily trend or what you pick up from your scanner. Step number 4. Aim for 3 reasons to be excited about buying. Combine your main chart and subchart. Consider price action, moving averages, trending, and momentum indicators. The goal is 3 out of 3, but use this as a probability gauge. 2 out of 3 is 66%, 1 out of 3 is 33%, etc. Step 5. Have at least one reason to exit your trade. This step is fluid and may change during your trade. We want targeted profit exits, but also retreat areas to protect capital. When in profit, trail and scale stops, and use range zones for full exits or averaging down. This step requires experience, but taking profit when available is never wrong. Now that we have all of the steps out of the way, I want to give you a basic walkthrough of how I approach trading. Obviously, this isn't a comprehensive deep dive, but it will give you the framework so that you can understand my thought process and hopefully add value to your individual process. I'm going to use Robinhood for the example. This is primarily the broker of choice for new traders. But I do want to highlight, as you continue on your journey and you gain more skill and advanced understanding, you will need to upgrade to another platform for charting and strategy. I still use Robinhood, as well as the others, for actual execution of trades, but I use Webull or TradingView for advanced charting as they are superior on the phone or tablet. Inside Robinhood, you're going to scroll down and find an area called Lists. It'll be below some of the information posts that the application has for the user. We'll go ahead and click that, and it'll bring us to a new screen where we will select the type of list we want to start. Inside of the list, you will have options to create a screener, or to create a watch list. We will end up using both of these, but the first one we want to go over is the screener. Take note that you have multiple options of pre-made scanners. Inside of these pre-made scanners, you can use filters to customize them to a specific target. But what we're going to use is a custom scanner, because we want to put specific criteria inside of what we want to draw from the scanner. Hit the Continue to start building the custom scanner. It'll automatically send the stocks in rank of market cap. This is where you'll use your filters. Go into Filters. There's all kinds of filters, but best rule of thumb is just to start at the top and work your way down. I always start with average volume. I play momentum, and I want things that are moving. Then relative volume. I want things trending higher. Next, I like to use market cap for the bigger boys. Since we're talking options, we want to make sure options are available, and we want high volume. This will weed out a huge chunk. Now we have a narrowed pool. Let's show results. I always aggregate with percent gain to start my selection process. Next, I look at the spark chart for a quick reference of potential ideas. When I see something that interests me, I'll go ahead and look at the quick chart and take a look at some different time frames. This is where Robinhood lacks on phone compared to others. But with experience, you can see opportunities that are available. Example, the Webull app gives you many more tools to chart. However, we can clearly see a breakout, and as a momentum trader, I like that. If we like what we see, then we select it and create our watch list. This list will become our pool to choose from. Repeat the process until you're satisfied with your pool to select from. Remember, we want just a handful of stocks because we don't want to get paralysis from analysis, if that makes sense. If you like the scanner that you built, you go ahead and save it so that you can use it day to day to draw new opportunities. On the day of trading, we can monitor our choices in real time by checking our list. The chart will display static information since we're trading after hours, but it will change based on current price action and momentum during live trading. I'm going to use DraftKings for the demonstration. Take note that we are at our 3 reasons why to buy a trade. Again, this is where Robinhood lacks on the phone compared to competitors, but I'll show you that you can still make informed decisions even with a lacking application. First, let's change to candles. You can see not much changes on Hood, but when we expand, we can get a few more tools at our disposal. You can see on the advanced chart you have some options like moving averages, boiler bands, and some volume. Subcharts are constrained to just the RSI and the MACD, which isn't bad as those are pretty standard. You can also switch your intervals and your time frames. I usually stick with the 5-minute when I'm actively trading. Remember, we have the full chart here, but on the day we'd be watching the tick by tick. With that in mind, you can clearly see 2 reasons to buy during the opening bell. You have a bullish cross of the moving average with price action trending above. When we look at the RSI, we note that we're trending above our 70 range, but we have a bull cross on the MACD. This would give us 1 out of the 2 as the RSI would count against us. Adding them up, we have our 3 out of 3 for a strong reason to buy. Add in the news on the day of their earnings report being a surprise beat, and we have all the makings of an explosive play. Now we just need to choose our trade. Hindsight is 20/20. We already know that this particular stock did very well on the day. But going back to our example when we got the indicators signaling us to make the particular trade, we were about at $50 on the underlying stock. Staying within our trading methodology, picking the $55 call with the 21st expiration would not have been unreasonable. Our entry realistically would have been in a realm of about $15 to probably $30 per contract. This is the part of the strategy where we are looking for one reason why to exit our trade. Keeping with the very basic methodology, we want to create profit from our initial entry. When we look at this chart here, we can clearly see that momentum has slowed, and it conforms to normal trading cycles on the day at a midday low after the morning rush of trading activity. Taking a closer look, you can see right here where we start to lose that momentum via the candlesticks. We don't actually get an indicator across until later in the market day, but like I said before, this is where you only need one reason why to exit your trade instead of the 3 reasons. It's all based on protecting capital investment and protecting gains made. When we look at confirmation of the trim shift, you can clearly see the RSI trending down from its elevated levels. and you can see that the MACD is curling to the downside with an eventual cross. Then we go and check out the actual options chart, and you see very clearly that we start to wick out with a bear hammer. Now, thinking as a day trader, we would want to exit and secure profits. Putting our swing trader hat on, this could potentially be an area where we probably hold and see what happens as long as the main chart held certain ranges. Specifically price action staying above the moving average. All right, team. That's all I got for you on this. Again, not too deep into trading comprehension, but a basic overview on how I assault objectives when attacking the market. You want my play-by-play moves? Join TWR and let's go to war together. Links are in description. See you at the bell.
All right, team, that's a wrap, okay? I hope you found some value. I hope you get some worth out of this video. Like I said, man, it's not rocket science to trade and investing. You just got to put the time and the dedication in, and you got to be disciplined, confident, and competent, okay? This 5-3-1 strategy is just one of strategies of 1,000 different strategies. It works for me. I hope it works for you. And guys, I hope to see a whole bunch of new faces at that market bell when it rings, okay? The links in the description. And remember, if you're ready, you follow me, the other TWR market warriors, and let's go to war, okay? Let's go out there and make that money.
Welcome to Traders War Room, where the market is a war zone and stocks are our battlefield. Every trade is a victory, waiting to happen. Whether you're a seasoned veteran or a fresh recruit, TWR has everything you need to dominate. From cutting-edge analytical tools to real-time data that delivers accurate signals and alerts, equips you with the tactical advantage to thrive. We want you to strive to thrive in 2025. Join TWR today and build your financial freedom together as a team of market warriors and destroy the market with accuracy and precision. If we're leading the charge with our bold campaign, it's time to start viewing the market as a war zone and stocks as battles, to attack and conquer, ultimately winning with consistency. We realize you have many options, all promising financial growth, but quit wasting your time and money on crap that overpromises and underdelivers. There's a reason why TWR is all the buzz. Traders War Room is a professional platform you can trust, a comprehensive one-stop shop with something for all. Your search is over. Together, we'll build your financial freedom and turn goals into realities. Get ready and let's go to war. Check us out at traderswarroom.com. The link's in the description. I'll see you when the market bell rings.